She got braces.
Come on, Mike. Use those hands.
All right.
Come on, Mikey.
Go, Mike!
Michael.
Good job, Michael. Come on, Mikey.
We're doing good. Come on, guys.
Come on, Mike, you can do it!
You can do it.
Watch your temper, Mike.
All right, that's doing good.
Take a deep breath, Mike.
Let's breathe.
Yep, she's done.
Come on, Michael. Come on, buddy.
You can do it. You can do it. I don't like Paul. Come on, Howard.
Claudia, you're all right. Take a deep breath.
Breathe.
You're doing good, bud.
Now use your hands. Now use your hands. Keep going.
He won.
Don't be afraid to use your hands, Michael. Use your hands.
Come on, Mike.
Come on, Mike.
Did he press the call? 45 minutes. Stand up. You're on it. 2 minutes. Come on, Michael.
Yes.
Yes, he's a leader. She dropped on Saturday. When else she by the side of the star by Wednesday?
Yeah, Michael. Good job. There you go.
Oh, yeah, Michael, come out.
Yeah, boy!
Come on, Michael.
Out of your hands in the way.
Come on, Mikey. Breathe, Michael.
Breathe through your nose there, bud.
Good job, buddy.
Plenty of time, Mike.
Don't give in. Ew. Focus on you.
Plenty of time,
Disown
Mike.
you. What in the world was she saying?